Mary is our life, not because of herself. She is our life because she carried Jesus, who is life. Si Jesus ang buhay natin. Mary is our hope, not because she said so, or because of her person, because she carries the hope of Israel, the hope of fallen humankind, who is Jesus. Mary is our sweetness, not on her own accord, but she is our sweetness because she carries the sweet love of God, the divine second person of the Blessed Trinity, who died on the cross to show and manifest the love of God for us. Greater love no man has than this, to lay down His life for His friends. Kaya mga kapatid, sa ating nais bilang sambayanan, bilang katawan ni Kristo na parangalan ng ating mahal na Birhen, sana makita natin sa kanyang mga mukha at puso, hindi lang ang mukha at puso ni Maria, kung hindi makita natin ang mukha at puso ni Jesus.